Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Ireland, and that link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, let's go and open description and click on link eSIM and copy coupon Rom Tips and open voyafly.com. This link in description and write Ireland. Sorry. Alright, and click on this and open page and scroll down and choose a data type or unlimited fixed data. This website is number one for eSIM, alright? Click on unlimited data and choose a speed plane, light plus or premium. I'm use plus or maybe premium, alright, and select days and click on these 30 days and click on buy it now. Open page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply, and total $150.25. Alright, and that's nice. And click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email and payment and billing address and click on buy now. And that's all, you buy a SIM. And subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye bye.